Hello guys, welcome to my channel Oratrix, and this time I am here for a different perspective. So we are organizing one international workshop on Oracle Application Express, that is 20.2 version, and I want every one of you to register. So it will be around 3.5 hours or maybe 4 hours marathon workshop, right? So one more thing, and we are very fortunate that in this one we have invited the Chaitanya, that is a senior principal product manager of Oracle Apex for Oracle India, and we have one Oracle Apex developer who have more than 13 years of experience, Mr. Jaideep Siraulji, and obviously I'm speaking over there also. So without wasting time, just register on this one at date and time. Just mark your calendar that this will be on 18 January 2021 at 9:00 a.m. IST. We are organizing this event at Parul University, Vadodara, and you can see this description. See this link. I'll be sharing this particular link in the description box also, so that you can reach to the link immediately. And we are associated with the ENOG. Recently, UK, I'm very proud to share with you that I'm currently collaborated or being a part of ENOG. I'm a regional leader at India Oracle Apex User Group. So we are organizing this event in association with ENOG now. So I hope everybody will, definitely wants to learn some new techniques and some new aspects from these experts, which are there for you. Hope you join this event. It will be around. It will start at sharp 9 a.m. and maybe around 3.5 or 4 hours of workshop, in which you will learn how to, implement the things as far as whatever we have done in our different videos. So altogether, this is a absolutely different kind of video which I'm sharing with you guys. Hope you like this and register for this event. Hope to see you over there on this event date. Thank you so much.